22 September 2017. Last updated at 17:08 BST. The world's fastest bullet train has been revealed in China. It takes passengers at more than 210 miles per hour, but is capable of reaching up to almost 250 miles per hour. Wow, 2,500 sensors on the trains. They should help prevent accidents. Designers think they should last for 30 years. China is home to the world's longest high-speed rail network. The trains are called Fuxing, which means rejuvenation. It means people can travel from Beijing to Shanghai in less than 4.5 hours. That's like traveling from the very south of England to the very north of Scotland in less time than you were in school.